All right, we got a train show to go to. Orlando, Florida. It's November 9th. It's 8/17. And it's a train collectors association. So I doubt there's going to be any HO or N scale there, but we're going up there and going to see Debbie's sister afterwards for lunch. I had to wear this hat here because she wouldn't let me wear my Trump train hat because that would trigger her sister because she hates Trump.
It would trigger her to be a lefty.
She might have a heart attack. And Debbie's not wearing her MAGA hat either. So here we go. It's an hour and 44 minutes. It's 83 degrees. The gas was $2.99 at Murphy and still $3 something at Marathon where we go. I haven't hit up the Wawa yet to see what the gas price is up there, but they usually follow a day behind or so. So we're on our way. We'll see ya. Okay, here we are at Train Collectors Association, Lake Nona. Just got here a little bit after 10 o'clock. All right, looks like we got Orlando N-Trak back here, and we got some of the stuff from the villages too. Okay, so we're going to take a walk around here and see what they got here. Okay, this is the Zitnik trains display here. Here we got Thomas and Friends for the kids. All right. Awesome. Man, they never had this when I was a kid. A lot of Lionel stuff. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Assortment of everything. $75 each, $499. Okay. Got some LGB track. G scale stuff. There you go, $39 each for the Beatles. There's a nice G starter kit. Well, we got some HO. All right. Okay, what do we have here? We've got a lot of old stuff right here. My goodness. Passenger station. TCA.
Hi, how are you guys?
Good. How you doing today?
How's business going? Business is.
Hey, how's it going?
We've been here for. What's going on, guys?
All right, good to see you. I just got this one free from this gentleman right here. He's a vendor. Say your name?
Frankie.
Okay. See him at D-Land and Villages sometimes.
Also on eBay if you're willing.
On eBay, okay.
Rainbow Circus is the name.
Okay, good deal.
Thank you, Tom. Nice. Yes, sir. You look familiar.
$45. That don't look bad.
You're an N scaler yourself?
HO scale.
HOs.
Yeah. This your stuff here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. some older stuff. stuff with horn hook couplers. Alright. Some brass rail.
Wasn't the size I
A C&O, a work thing. Alright. Here's some HO and some marking. Alright. People?
Oh wow. Yeah, the marble.
Oh yeah, marbles.
$125.
No, you're welcome. You kidding me?
$175.
That's plane guys gonna stick together.
Tip, football wagon. So I never did soccer.
You are correct. It is 14.
Freedom Train. Yeah, 3 for 15. Oh, goodness. Look at that crane. Oh my goodness. What kind of good stuff here?
Said he's on the way to pay you next.
Milo needs money.
I need to open up the family room so I could do some no gauge. Huh? My goodness. There's some Vinny stuff. Good for HON display. 40 bucks. Looks like the golf balls. Those are humongous, huh? My goodness. Oh, goodness. Look at that. Your wife just called. You may purchase that item. I like that. Got a lot of plastic bill. Over here.
I wonder if I had known about this stuff.
Okay. Down on the back end. All right. Here we go. Parks. Sure. Orlando N-Trak. All right. Our favorites. They're here this morning. All right. So we'll get a good shot right here. They got a GoPro right here. All right.
Oh, there was a relic that was rolling by. Proper British train. Yeah. When we suddenly become a British train club, that's what I want. The Brits are taking I never agreed to that. I mean, most people never agreed to the British invading the
That's right, yeah. That's what they say. Most, the biggest thing the British gave the rest of the world was a lot of Independence Days.
Okay, then look at the staging over here. All right. Again, from here. Got some nice passengers.
You also don't stop right in the tail for public practice. You stop about 15, 20 feet back. Yeah, but it's not like a car when you pull right up to it because some of these are offset a little bit. Yeah, who did that? Yeah, it's what desperate men do desperate.
Well, it's what very experienced men can pull off without anybody noticing.
I mean, I'd have to stop it and get the magnifying glass out.
Right?
No.
I know. That is. Takes me 20 minutes to get
He's coming up behind me.
You're helping. Yeah, I know, but do you need some more SP power?
No, I'm actually pretty good.
How dare this revenue train delay this engine move? I'm transporting the new Japanese. Robert's fingers are you need all this to pick up one car?
Drop off. I think you get to the booth
Yeah, you're good. You're right at this crossing here. You're right at this crossing. You're good. You're fine.
Somebody's talking to me, so I couldn't like. Because I'm like you here. Well, I guess this is the show to come to if you don't want to break the bank. There's a lot of people here at 9, 10 years.
Holy
I didn't
shit.
really tell 11.
How many cars you got on there?
63.
63.
All 50 states plus territories.
Wow. You got them alphabetical order. All right.
Not the territories. Though.
Oh, not the territories. Okay. We had a good time at the train show, spent a couple of hours there, and spent some time with Eddie from ELW Trains and a few of his friends who were camera shy. And then we went to Maitland and had lunch with Debbie's sister, and then up to Sanford to see some dogs, but there was no puppies there. And then there's a sneak peek of what I got. I got a few more things, and I'll show that on the live stream. So until the next time, we'll see you, and have fun, whatever you're doing, and hopefully it's at a train show, because they're starting to get more close together and more productive. So we'll see you then.